Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming. May you always be keep healthy. Based on a health service contract that will expire for our employees, it is necessary to discuss the determination of a new contract. I'm invited the board of director to convey matters related to the progress of health service for employees and retirees and their insured families of PT Dimas Jaya in period 2021 until 2022. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the meeting was held online, and it is hoped that all participants from the directors can express their opinions. Okay, maybe we can show the slide, our PPT to this discussion.
Okay, thank you for opportunity, Mr. President Director, Mr. Yudi, and Board of Director in this online meeting. I hope we all will be given of help from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. In our risk assessment that we have did before, we have a risk analysis and the risk mitigation of insurance program for all employees. And for risk analysis, we have in first, pandemic conditions that turn into the new normal, including in the field of health service. Next, increasing the need for COVID services for diagnostic, curative, and rehabilitative purpose. Next, increasing the need for non-COVID services that must continue to run for preventive and promotive function. And the last, not all providers provide integrated and superior COVID and non-COVID services in administrative service for employee health service. And for risk mitigation, to counter the risk, we have to first cooperating with methods to manage, monitor, and evaluate administrative process in an integrated manner in order to control the health costs of employees and their families, because it is more flexible to adapt the company conditions. And the last, for expanding the health service collaboration with providers who are referrals for COVID-19 services. Maybe that's for my explanation, Mr. Yudi.
Thank you. Maybe next.
Good morning, Pak Dir. Thank you for the time. We have a SWOT analysis as a consideration in deciding the contract. Maybe the provider have an extensive network of health facility exists in every Pelindo 3 working area and easy access and 24-hour service. But we must to ensure that the select provider hospital or clinic network has good health facilities and service. The covering more types of disease and the provider have weakness. The provider used to indemnity system, high insurance cost, then capital system and long range process. I think this is my analysis. Other director, maybe please. Thank you, Pak Dir.
Okay, thank you for your attention. Good morning, main director and all of director. To opportunity for vendors, SWOT methods. The first can take advantage of partner facilities outside the working area of Pelindo 3. The second can work with BPJS help in the claim process. And then we have treat to SWOT methods vendor. The first partner have the potential to be rejected at health facilities, and the second, the reimbursement process has the potential to be rejected because it is not covered. I think I have two suggestions for Medsos. It is the first. It is expected that the selected insurance provider company is one that has a network of hospital or clinic providers that can be easily reached by all employees, retirees, and their families in all branches of PT Pelindo 3. The second, ensure that the network of hospital clinic providers that will be able to work directly with the selected insurance provider company has good and proper health facilities and service. Okay, thank you for your attention.
Okay, maybe the human resource director can be explain more that on the slide.
You're on mute, Miss.
Okay, thank you very much, Pak Presiden Direktur. Good morning, Pak Director. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I will explain about medical offer period January until December 2021. Medical offer, among other cost health service, BPJS, ASO, and management fee. For cost health service per month is 10 billion rupiah, and BPJS per month 500 million rupiah. So amount cost health service per year 126 billion rupiah. And additional cost is ASO per year 5 billion rupiah, and management fee 10% per year 12 billion rupiah. So amount cost health service per year 140 billion rupiah. For cooperation renewal starting on January 2021, valid for a year. And the second, assuming that new normal health service conditional continue to serve COVID and non-COVID patient. 3, assuming health cost using the cost of new normal condition. And 4, this assumption is calculated based on the 2000 average utilization 45% of normative cost. 5, assumption of BPJS fee and fixed ASO fee. And the last, management fee is over fixed at 10% at the beginning of the PKS. That is all that I can say, Pak Presiden Direktur. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for presentation on the slide. Maybe we can discuss based on our discussion from the displayed slide and SWOT analysis. The board of directors decided the following matters. First, in guaranteeing health service for employees and retirees and their families, board of directors agreed to extend Medsos from PT Sehat Selalu. Second, the number of providers used is at least the same as the current condition, which is already running well. And the third, PT Sehat Selalu is obliged to verify the procedures and cost of health services properly, professionally, and in accordance with applicable medical ethics, and provide reports related to the realization of health service every month. So that socialization can be carried out the employees and retirees regarding the extension and provisions of the health service procedures that have been determined. Maybe in our discussion, we can make PT Sehat Selalu to procurement, so we can make a decision in this insurance of PT Sehat Selalu. Okay, maybe enough about the discussion. Thank you all of board of directors. I hope we can always healthy and COVID pandemic maybe gone in this world maybe. Thank you everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Pak Dir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pak Dir.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.